Hi, today I will show you how to cook mandi in a simple way. Let's start with the ingredients. To cook mandi we need meat, basmati rice, safflower, salt, oil, onions, tomatoes, garlic, bay leaves, cinnamon, white pepper, black pepper, cloves, hot pepper, cardamom, chili pepper, hot paprika, and we need saffron. Now let's start cooking our meal. Let's prepare the meat. To start, put the white pepper, the safflower, and the salt on the meat. Then spread it very well. Now put some oil in the cooker. Add the onions and wait till it becomes golden brown. Now add the tomatoes and mix. Add the bay leaves, the cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and pepper. Mix again. Now add the black pepper and some salt. Mix. After you wash the rice, add it on the mix. Mix again. Now add the water. Mix it well. Now cover the pot with the aluminum foil. With a knife, make some small holes in the foil. Put the meat on the aluminum foil. Put some saffron on the meat. Put a parchment paper on the meat and cover it again with the aluminum foil. Now put the cooker in the oven on 250 degrees for 2 hours. In that time, we'll prepare the sauce. Put the tomatoes in the mixer. Add the onions. We add some hot paprika. Garlic. Salt. And some chili pepper. To have the red color, add some tomato paste. Mix again. Is it ready?
It smells delicious.
Look at the great colors of the rice.